And the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, bloodbath continues. So the crypto markets suddenly lose 250 billion in value as a ever-great turmoil plummets Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major currencies. So cryptocurrency prices plunged on Monday morning during a widespread market sell-off sparked by concerns of potentially a catastrophic debt default in China, pushing many of the world's largest digital currencies to their lowest level in more than a month. The world's largest cryptocurrencies slipped to their lowest price in more than a month. And here are some key facts. The value of the world cryptocurrencies plunged to a low less than 1.9 trillion by 8:45 a.m. on Monday, nearly 11% less than 24 hours prior to reflecting a loss of more than 250 billion. Now, this is according to crypto data website CoinMarketCap. Heading up market value losses, the price of Bitcoin dipped 9% to less than 42,669, while Ethereum price fell nearly 10% to a low of 2,940, marking each other of their lowest level since early August. Now, in a Monday note, Jonas Luthi, a digital asset broker of Global Block, said that the sudden pullback occurred after shares of Chinese real estate giant Evergrande, which has more than 305 billion in liabilities, plunged to their lowest level in 11 years, triggering a stark sell-off as analysts warned the company potential collapse could pose risk to a broader market. Now, Luthi also pointed an increase in regulatory scrutiny as reasons for panic selling, with Bloomberg reporting over the weekend that Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, is under investigation by the US regulators for possible insider trading and market manipulation. Now, as prices crash, El Salvador President Nayib announced that the nation took advantage of the falling prices and bought the dip for the second time this month, spending roughly 6.5 million to boost its cryptocurrency holdings by 150 bitcoins. Now, Evergrande, China's second largest property developer, alerted banks last week that it would be unable to make debt payments due to this month, sparking a sharp drop in the Chinese real estate sector. The losses quickly spread to broader markets as experts started to warn its default could potentially create a Chinese Lehman moment, meaning the Lehman Brothers saga that happened sometime in the early 2008, if I recall vaguely. Market analyst Tom Essay, author of the 7 reports, wrote in the note that Evergrade's challenges may affect the global economy, and that uncertainty is enough to spook markets. Wealth advisors David of California's Basen Group said that on Monday email. Here are the key backgrounds. So alongside the adoption measures, the buzz on digital collectibles known as non-fungible tokens, and concerns over heightened inflation have helped the crypto market back losses since regulations in China sparked a nearly 50% crash in early May, though it's still down nearly 25% from its all-time high 4 months ago. In a note earlier this month, JP Morgan analysts warned the recently booming market for smaller cryptocurrencies less established than Bitcoin likely to reflect the froth and retail investors' mania, and pointed out such mania has historically resulted in correction of nearly 50%.
Wow.
Crazy times. We just had just a couple of weeks ago, we had $400 billion wiped out, and then now another $250 billion, close to $650 billion wiped out from the market, leaving the current total market cap, if you can look here, at 1.9 trillion. Now, at the height of Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was at 64,000, we were looking at a market cap of about 2.4 trillion. As you can see, this actually captures the crypto total market cap on a single day. So we've came a long time since then it looks like almost like the two mountains, right? Twin towers that we see, and currently the collapse that has happened. So we are way beyond. We had good stability between the using the Fibonacci on 0.6 between 0.382. This is called the golden, just a kind of a golden channel, and then suddenly we broke through. Now the next best thing would be maybe close to 1.8 to 1.9 trillion of money coming out. But we did remember when we were somewhere here trading at 1.2 trillion, how much fast, so fast we only came back up in weeks. So the volume of money pouring into a very small cryptocurrency seems to be uh, very fast. So losing 650 billion in like less than a month. So you can see these two drop. This was the 400 billion that was dropped, and then we saw that we were slowly coming back, and then we had another dip here.
Another
And
dip.
both dips actually El Salvador benefited. So most likely El Salvador. Let's see how much, whether it's actually reflected here. If we do, just see El Salvador, how much is the El Salvador earning right now? 46,000 bitcoins.
Oh,
46,000 bitcoin compared to Michael Saylor. Okay, Michael Saylor of course is 100 over 1,000. So
Michael
these
Saylor
guys,
is stable. I was
sorry,
in
not 46,000. El Salvador is 550 bitcoin.
550 Bitcoin.
Yeah, El Salvador
Yeah.
550 bitcoin. But you can see Grayscale. Look at Grayscale, man. My gosh,
My God, this. So
600 and
yeah, I was part of some Telegram group, and there I come to know that quite some whales they plan together, like they join hand and they want to manipulate market. They pump certain coin, they take the price rocket skyrocket, and then the market is completely visible for that particular coin. So they control the market. If like some multiple whales will join together, right, they can control the market also.
yeah, that's why this is not regulated in the actual financial traditional. If you do this market manipulation, like now what the US SEC is after Binance for market manipulation, then definitely. So what basically the article was saying is that potentially Binance was part of the whales because they had access
Possible they
to
have.
to to all the wallets. They know the transaction, and because of that, that's where the SEC is coming. Looking at this news, that's what I gather from what this was talking about. Let's see, where was that coin? Okay, we had the coin market cap situation also. We had Binance scrutiny, right? So you see, Binance, world largest crypto, is under investigation by US regulators for possible insider trading and market manipulation. So this is a very serious crime in the
Very
traditional. I
serious
don't know
crime, yeah.
whether Binance is still considered as a official. They did want to move into a financial angle, not so much in the crypto space. So yet to be seen. We still are fans of Binance platform. We really like the platform. I think CZ is doing a fantastic job. I hope that this is just something that they can really showcase to the regulators on any compliance and prove that there's no market manipulation. But basically that's what it was pointing towards to. So yeah, crazy. And then if you look at 1.9 trillion, typically about 40% goes into Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, you can see the double dips, right? This one is for about 400 billion. This is few hundred that actually drop.
I
So
think even exchange like a Binance, if it's decided to manipulate, it's just a very simple task for them. Whatever the holdings are there under them, they
yeah,
started sell it and all.
they will know how many wallet holders, who has the biggest wallet, what are they doing. Those kind of inside information. And you're right, Manish. Whales can actually manipulate the market because it's still a small market compared to the traditional,
Yeah,
which is
if
250
one
trillion.
community of whale will come and join together, they can
Yeah,
they can create a bull and bear
of
at
course.
any point of time if they want it.
Of course. That's why as traders, as we have always been in this space for quite some time now, we don't get moved by such 50%. 50% to us loss is a walk in the park. This is why in root zones we say to always trade with money that you can afford to lose, right?
Mm.
And if you understand blockchain, if you look at this, look at the early days where the market cap was so low, and look at how far we came. So this is actually showing the money that is pouring in into the crypto space. It took them almost close to a decade. So can you imagine, giving the fact that we are actually considered as early adopters coming in and having this boom and bust here, if the market increase times two, and we are talking about $4 trillion, can you imagine where the altcoins would be? It will be crazy.
It'll be crazy.
We will be looking at Bitcoin hitting 100 over 1,000 to 200 over 1,000. So the name of the game, basically what I'm saying is that money moves this entire market, and that's why we constantly look at the number, the how much is actually inside the crypto space, divide by 11,000 coins, and this actually shows. Look at this. This actually shows the graph. Where is that 1.9 trillion? So the 1.9 trillion goes into Bitcoin, it goes to Ethereum, Cardano, and the rest of the 11,000 coins. That's
Mm.
how much money is in this pool. And I think we showed yesterday, right, Manish, on the wallets. How much wallets have been. Let me just share this. I think there is a wallet activity. So you look at this wallet, the growth of the wallet. Look at this. So as this grows from September 2020, look at this. We are climbing up. So a lot of retailers makes up about 80%. Last data that I checked.
This is
Then
just 1 year
10% is.
data, right? No, 2 years.
This is about 2 years.
Uh,
1 year. Let's look at 3 years. Look at 3 years. Started with
my
28.
God, 3 years from here.
Look.
See, from
Yeah.
2021,
So
the
80%.
popularity has increased from early 2021, I think.
Correct. And the first thing that people do when they open their wallet is they heard this thing called Bitcoin.
Mm.
So naturally, when you look at the 1.9 trillion, nearly 50% of that moves into Bitcoin. And that's
Yeah.
why Bitcoin reflects similar patterns of the fall. So you had the fall year, you had a fall year, and then you can see the fall year and the fall year. Yeah. So and then the rest of the coins. So countries are adopting, institutions are adopting, and yeah, we constantly just buy. We acquire more coins and keep eyes. If as the market cap increases, Bitcoin's doubles. The rest of the coin has a ratio of kind of a 5 to 10x on any coins after Bitcoin. So Manish, that's all I have in the news today about the crypto crash as well as Bitcoin.
Yeah. I'll share something.
So while Manish sets this up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Sometimes myself and Manish can't make it on time, and that's why on YouTube you can actually select the bell. So click the bell, you'll be notified when we go live. Manish, take it away.
Yep. So I think previously, past couple of days back, I have covered about the best exchange of 2021. Today, I'm going to cover wallets where you can keep your alt tokens, alt coins, and bitcoins in your own personal wallet, whereas exchange is something that where all your cryptos are listed. So let's go through one of the top five wallets of 2021, and I'm just going to run through the pros and cons and why they are popular. So these informations I'll be covering as part of this best Bitcoin wallet for 2021. So the for the beginners, Exodus is one of the very famous wallet in among the beginners. The purchase cost, the reason is the purchase cost is free. There is no charges. Cloud storage, yes, cloud storage. You can get the cloud storage when you are buying this Exodus. Okay, why we choose this? We pick Exodus as best for beginners because it's a free and comes with a good customer support and also a good interface. Pros and cons: huge variety of cryptocurrencies. Oh, this wallet also has a varieties of currencies. So built-in exchange where directly you can buy your cryptos, good customer support, and the cons is closed source softwares. So Exodus is also has a mobile version wallet and a desktop version as well. So this is one of the popular among the beginners, those who are just coming inside the crypto market. They can explore this Exodus. This been this been awarded as a best for beginner wallet. Moving on to the another wallet called Electrum. Okay. Let's see what are the features they provide. Purchase cost free again. There is no charge when you download this. We choose Electrum because it's secure, open source, and offer advanced features and options. Pros and cons: customizable transaction fee, greater level of security than most hot wallet has it. I think those who are not aware what is hot wallet and cold wallet, I think you can just refer the previous videos, which where I have covered in detail about the types of wallet. Cons: bare bones user interface, only works for Bitcoin, no customer supports. That's the cons. So I don't think so. This is very useful because it's only used for Bitcoin. There is no customer support. You cannot buy any other altcoin using this wallet. So I think, but it's still popular because of this security and those who just wanted to buy a Bitcoin and keep it in their wallet. Best for mobile users, Mycelium. This is another wallet which is been awarded as a best for mobile users. Why? Uh, we choose Mycelium for the mobile users because it gives you more control over the transaction and integrates with a hardware wallet. So if you are using any hardware wallet and you want to integrate with this to keep your tokens even secure, you can go for it. And since it's a mobile compatible, then it's even easier to use it. Pros: customizable transaction fees, ability to use hardware wallet, open source software. Cons: mobile only, there is no desktop versions, and confusing for a first time users. So take note of it. The another one is the cold wallet, which is best hardware wallet called Ledger Nano X. Why we choose it? We picked up Ledger Nano X because it offers secure cold storage and connect to a device with a Bluetooth or USB through the Ledger desktop or mobile app. So they provide a mobile app or desktop app. Using that, you can connect to your hardware wallet. Okay, hardware wallet, which is a product of Ledger. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: Ledger Live has intuitive and conventive user interface, which is very user friendly. Store up to 100 different apps. Oh, that comes with storing different app also. That hardware can install different apps. Open source software that added a benefit of customer and community support, because open source has a huge big communities. If you come across with any issues, any problem, you can post your issues problem in the community and community will guide you and address you. Convenient Convenience of Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: Bluetooth integrations, a potential vector of cyber attack. So I think if you are using Bluetooth, there is a security risk. Bluetooth features not perfected. That's one cons. And limited wallet storage. So storage is one issues. Other than those who want to use the cold wallet as a hardware wallet, you can go for it. The another one is best for security. Yes, I think this is one which, if in future I had to consider, I will go for security, best for a
Yeah.
security. So Trezor Model T. Trezor is, yeah, it's not free. It's chargeable. It costs around $190. Cloud storage, no. Cold storage, yes. Storage means you can just keep it. The data will not be online. It will be on your hand. So why we choose it? We choose Treasure as a best for security because it comes with the strongest security features and track record of any reviewed hardware wallet. Good. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: web-based user interface with the exchange built in. Okay, you have an exchange also inbuilt. and you can buy crypto straight away in your wallet. Massive list of supported cryptocurrencies, good open source software with added benefit of customer and community support. Yeah, so this is one benefit. If you go to GitHub or any open source communities, you can share your information. If you have any issues with this hardware wallet, you will get a community support. Cons: higher price point than others, a small touch screen for typing, confusing for a first time users. I think this cons are ignorable. I think small touch screens doesn't matter if you're giving you a great security. So yeah, then the next one we have it, the best bang for your buck. Okay, what is this? Leisure. So it's a very cost effective wallet. Purchase cost is $59. Cloud storage no, cold storage yes. Why we choose it? We pick Ledger Nano S because it offer an affordable entry point into a cold storage hardware wallet. So I think it's cheapest, $59. Talk about pros and cons. Access to Ledger Live for your community support. Secure storage for a low price, open source software with added benefit of customer and community support. Cons: max storage of 3 apps. I think you can only install 3 apps, no wireless Bluetooth features. That's okay. Okay, let's talk about the final verdict and see the comparison chart. This being awarded named as a best of for beginners. It's a hot means you have a cloud connectivity, you have a internet connectivity. Cold means you do not have internet connectivity. So these are the difference. Purchase cost, all top three are free. The cold ones are chargeable. Incorporated with exchange, all yes, only Electrum is not integrating with any exchange. Compatible hardwares, yes. So I'm not sure whether you guys are aware, all these wallets you can connect with any of the exchange if they are giving you exchange integration support. So other than this, you can connect to any of the exchange, something like Binance, Gate.io, or any other exchange. You can connect with your own wallet. So instead of keeping money or tokens or fiat inside the exchange, you can keep it in your wallet. So some people prefer to have their own wallet to better control on their fiat money. So I think this explanations helps you. That's all I have it for today. Wait.
Thanks, Manish. So let's see what's happening in the market. 27 is a number. There's fear in the marketplace. I think that
47.
is 27.
27 is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
27. Yeah. So yeah, fear in the marketplace. So that's something that is expected. Of course, you can see we were doing in the 70s for just a couple of
The
days. I
lowest
think
what
from
we have seen in our live sessions when since we started, I think this is lowest
I
or
think
what?
lowest was wow, I think
I
10.
think 10 is it? Okay, yeah, 10 we have
Mm.
seen it while explaining
Yeah,
here in our rooms.
yeah, that was the lowest we ever went. Today we had 27. So we had started this I think 17th of May, Manish.
Hmm.
17th of May. So we were going through this entire sad story
Hmm.
since since
Our
C19, and then
past, yeah, when we started, the 2 months was very silent, if I'm not.
very good. Yeah, we started yeah, somewhere here, and then within days the market dropped when we
Hmm.
first got in, and then we really experienced drop for close to 3 months, and then we got a very nice run up, and then now we are slightly back. So let's see. We are coming in 9 more days to October, especially all is gearing up for this Friday.
Mhm.
After the 24th, we should know where the market actually lies. So that's for the crypto greed and fear. Of course, we are the sea of red. If you notice, some of it are green, and there's a reason why. Because mostly some people actually do a swap for their current coins that is losing, and everybody goes on the coins that are gaining. So that's why sometimes you get to see during the downtrend, some of the coins are actually performing well. Crypto, of course, we have 12,000 cryptos now. New cryptos are being added daily. People with great ideas, great projects. You got to really sift it out with a certain set of parameters to really find those diamonds in the rough. Market cap, of course, is slightly lower now. We are talking about 1.8 trillion. Bitcoin, of course, still take dominance of 42% and Ethereum 18%. Top three trending coins are Riva, Pearl, and Gravity Token. Gravity Token is something that I want to cover also, apart from Gala. So this is a coin that has been around, and I just really want to find out what it does. So stay tuned. We'll be covering that in some future days. Last 24 hours, of course, Bitcoin is down by 3.03, Ethereum is down by 2.28, Cardano is down by 0.97, USDT is slightly down by 0.02, BNB is down by 1.59, XRP is down by 0.95, Solana down by 3.86, USDC break-even, Polkadot down by 0.98, and Doge still at a 10. Is down by 0.29. Seems like what is climbing up is Avalanche. So this Avalanche could be potentially another Solana. So of course it's trading right now at 63. So it
I
could
think we
maybe
should find out more about this, and if it's really going to be another Solana, I think we can consider.
yeah, it's a bit pricey at the 63, but it will times 2, so that's something we can look on. Yeah, so that's pretty much it in the last year to date. If you can see, even with the bulls and the bears and the droughts and the flood that came in, Bitcoin still made 56%. Just a year, 1 year back. Ethereum 315%. Cardano 1,000%. So you would have probably 11x your money. If you put $1,000, you would have gotten $11,000 in Cardano. 1 year ago, BNB also 800%. XRP, although with the lawsuit, still 200. Look at Solana, 9x compared to Cardano, right? 9x. You would have Solana is 90x. Apologize for that. So your $1 would have been $90. Doge 45. So Solana actually took major gains because they are right now a 40 billion compared to Doge, which is a 27 billion market cap. Polkadot, even with the slow growth, you can actually see 300%. So guys, imagine this: 1 year from now, where will you be? Look at Avalanche, 2,000%. 2,000, that's 20x. What your $1 will give you $20. Look at Luna, 42. Look at Chainlink, 97. So these are things that we should keep eyes. Of course, Atom is also good. ICP, I know a lot of people are investing in ICP. VET,
Tron is something also people are telling that it has some
yeah,
potential.
some new things that's coming out in Tron, but I don't know. A lot of people don't really like
China.
the
This is
the
from China.
CEO. Yeah, a lot of people don't really like the CEO from Tron, but we should look at the project. I mean, it's not about the liking of the person. We should see the vision, the new angle in the marketplace, because we are in a technology space, and I can tell you, somebody with an idea today, tomorrow something new will come out. So it will be constantly growing. Matic, of course, would have been crazy. Cake, $19, not too bad, Manish. $19.
Yeah.
So we slightly
Cake,
deep, of
even
course.
Binance gives staking quite higher returns on this cake staking.
Another one,
50
of course, is
30%, I think.
yeah, Aave, of course, still is great. Of course, they are on the Ethereum network, so those are things that it's a bit pricey. Axie Infinity dropped from $88 to $55. So this actually gave birth to the gaming NFT, ideas, and people started to move in that direction. So let's see what's happening on the technical charts. Of course, I'm just plotting out. We will still be constantly seeing the bears coming in. This is on the day chart. We are still expecting a slight dip. Maybe the next support level would be at a 40,000, and then let's see whether we will break below the 40,000 mark. Bitcoin, of course, is hodl. It's still considered as cheap. Let me just refresh. Sometimes I get the cash. I'm just curious with the recent 650 billion wiped out from the market. Yeah, it's still hodl for Bitcoin. Again, guys, just looking at the wallet, you can see a very nice growth. Means people are adopting as we speak. So the more people get on, and the more easier the wallets become. It's not complicated like before, where you have to purchase a very complex sets of process to in order to get acquire Bitcoin today. Some offers without KYC, meaning know your customer. You can really sign up quickly, use a credit card, swipe, and get a token. So that adoption actually helped a lot of people to get in. Looking at the total hash rate also, it's like a V recovery. You can see we are climbing back to the top of this. Maybe, who knows, we will break the new heights, meaning there will be total computation power hashing for Bitcoin to keep it more than 51%. So with that, thank you for joining us. Keep your questions coming, your likes and comments, and do join our Telegram group because it's active. If you have any questions, do let us know. Manish?
Yep. So if you have any further questions, please let us know and see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.
Take care.